partnered with some of the volunteer groups, Grand Valley Disc Golf Club, River's Edge West. They came out here today to help us plant some trees. We had 9 total trees come in, 6 of them being box elder, 3 of them being Fremont cottonwoods. And then we also had about 20 shrubs. Grand Valley Disc Golf Club was able to donate some mulch and some manure. And we were also able, through the grant, to also provide some featherweight soil. We've done a lot of management for noxious weeds throughout the year. And it's time to start throwing some native plants in here so that we can replace some of the things that we've taken out. We had about 16 folks come out and help us today. It's immeasurable how much that they really do. So we had an arborist here from Josh Miller from the Miller Tree Service. He came out and also provided expertise to planting these.
We're down here with River's Edge West and Grand Valley Disc Golf Club, a few volunteers. 2 weeks ago, we planted 5 fruitless mulberry trees to kind of see how they do in this environment. And then now we're introducing some box elders down here as well, and a few cottonwoods. We're probably at 1,100 people that's been down here since this course has been put in and installed. It's a little hot, so some of these trees, they'll provide shade for us and keep us a lot cooler to be down here and they eat.
I'm Nicole Cook, and I'm the Education and Outreach Coordinator for River's Edge West. And we're a nonprofit based in Grand Junction that focuses on riverside restoration. And our kind of special part of that is focusing on vegetation along our rivers. So we do a lot of invasive plant removal and partner with folks like Mesa County, Colorado Parks and Wildlife, Bureau of Land Management. And then we help get native plants back into the ecosystem. But we need help from volunteers to come deal with secondary invasives that come in on bare grounds like kochia, knapweed. So some of our events are pulling those weeds. Other events like this one are planting native species like cottonwoods and box elders. And we really rely on our community members to help support the long-term sustainability of our restoration sites.